So let's see how we can create shape files in ArcGIS. Let's open the ArcGIS. Let's continue. Before we start this lecture, I would just like to mention that in this video we're going to be learning how we can create points, lines, shapes and their files. Then in the part E, which is coming ahead, we will do the same things in a detailed way in a base map. So I would recommend you to watch that lecture as well, because that is going to be a more detailed one, and these all other are related to that. The part F, G, H, I is continuation of part E, so you will learn a lot of things there, but this one is also a part of that lecture. Here we will learn the basics in general here. So let's continue. Make sure you watch that one as well. So here we go. ArcGIS is open. Now here you can select or open any project that you are working with. I will just cancel that and I will create a new folder here from the beginning. So I will just go to File, New, and here I will just select a folder where I want to save the things. So in the login you can see your already opened or saved folders here, but I want to create a new folder here. So just, you cannot find that here, you'll not be able to find them here. So you can go and you can click on this connect to a folder icon. Click on that and you can select any folder in your computer. So I'll just select one. You can also select in your computer. ArcGIS YouTube, right? So I'll just name it like this. After that you can select the ArcGIS YouTube. Okay. What you enter is an invalid or inexistent. Okay, sorry, where is that? Here. Yeah. Okay, now that's fine, right? So select ArcGIS YouTube. After that, that's not all. You now have to create a shape geodatabase file there. So geodatabase, click on that and it's there. You can name it if you want to. I'll just keep it like that. After that, select that, click on add and then okay. So that's done. Now you can find your folder here in the catalog. You can open the catalog from here or you can open it from here if it's already there, right? Just open the catalog, you'll be directed to this one and find your folder. So you can see software ArcGIS YouTube, that's what we created. And in that we only have new file database, nothing else, right? So now whatever we do here will be saved there. So ArcGIS YouTube. Now let's create shape files. For creating shape files, you can right click on the folder and then new, and in the new you can find shape file. Click on that. You can select point, polygon, polyline, whatever. I'll just select point and I'll name it, let's say names of cities. So I'll just name it city and edit, select the unit. So for unit, geographic coordinate system, world, WGS 1984. Click on OK and then okay, and that's done. We have created your first shape. Now we can make these points here. So let's make the points here. Let's say you want to create cities here. So just go to edit, start editing, and after start editing you can wait and then click on create features here and you will be directed to city. Click on city and now you can make the cities wherever you want to. So let's say I make these 3 cities somewhere, right? After that, don't forget to click on editor, save edits, and then stop editing. So that's done, right? That's our first shape file. Let's create for line. So let's say that's a road that connects these cities. For that, again go to the catalog, click on your folder, right click, new, shapefile, change the point to polyline, name it road, click on edit and go to the unit. So now you can see it's quite hectic to go to these units again and again that are so much far away. So you can make the process faster by making or adding them in your favorites. I have already added that in my favorites. Now how you can add that? In order to add that into your favorites, let me remove that and add it again. Remove, right? Now in order to add that into favorites, go to your geographic coordinate system, world, WGS 1984 and click on this star which says add to favorites, and done. Right now you don't have to open them again, just select it from there. Okay, and then okay. Let's make a line. So select the road, start editing, create features, select the road and make the road. So from here to this and from there to this, that's our road. After doing that, right click, finish the sketch, editor, save edits, editor, stop editing. Done, road is created. Now let's create a shape file which represents, let's say, a lake somewhere here. So for shapefile, shapefile, I mean polygon shapefile, right? So for polygon shapefile, I'll again go to catalog, software, ArcGIS folder, right click, new, shapefile, polygon, lake, edit, WGS 984, okay. And we'll click on editing, start editing, select the create features, select the lake and make your lake as you want to. So let's say this is my lake, right? Right click, finish sketch, editor, save edits and stop editing. That's our lake. So you create our lake, that's a polygon, points that are cities and lines that are roads. This is how you can create different shape files in ArcGIS. So I hope you understood that. In the next lectures, we'll continue further and we'll learn more about these shapefiles. And in detail, we'll talk about these shapefiles in our upcoming lecture, which is part E, working with base map. So you can open that lecture and see further about working with the shapefiles in the base map. Thank you. Take care.